you guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Sandra Velasco. Today's look is inspired by Flower Boy, and I've seen this look on YouTube, and it's a really spring summery look. So if you guys like this types of makeup look, then keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and I'm just going to get started with this video. So I've already done my eyebrows. Am I saying? What am I saying? I don't even know. For the eyeshadow primer, I am going to use this foundation from True Lift. First, I'm going to be taking this color. It's a brownish orangish color. That on the outer part of my outer V. I'm just blending that. I'm gonna use this as a transition color. I'm just packing a little bit more color in there and then blending it again. Next, I'm going to be taking this dark brown right here that is almost gone. So I'm first packing it on closer to the lid and then just blending that. I'm going to be taking a fluffier blending brush, and I'm going to go in with a light orange, and I'm just going to go lightly over the transition color. I'm going to be cutting my crease now, and I'm going to use this e.l.f. contour kit thing that I always use. And I'm actually going to go over that because I kind of have deep set eyes, so the top lid kind of goes over the bottom lid. Now that I've done that, I'm going to go in with the official color of this look, and it's this bright yellow. I'm going to be taking that from the mid to the end section of my eyelid. So next, I'm going to be taking this gold color and putting that on the inner part of the lid. I'm just using this color to kind of blend the yellow onto the lid for the next color that's coming. Next, in the inner corner, I'm going to be using this white color, and I'm just going to press that color in and kind of dragging it onto the bottom lash line too. For the outer edge of the liner, I'm actually going to leave it like that and then put the black liner over, but I'm going to press on white so it stays, and I'm just pressing that on the... Now I'm going to do my eyeliner, and this is, I don't know where it's from, but I bought it in Mexico, and it stays so well. It stays like really well, like too much that my makeup wipes can't even take it off. I'm going to go on to the face now, and I did my eyeliner super winged out, as you guys can see. I want this look to be super dramatic on the eyes, and then the skin to look just dewy and fresh for summer. So for the skin, I already put my moisturizer on, and I'm going to use these two foundations. So I'm not going to set my face just yet. Instead, I'm going to use this CoverGirl pomade for the brows, and then this little brush, and I'm going to do little freckles. So I'm going to be using a lighter color in the lip liner actually, and I'm just going to be patting those on. Now I'm going to be setting my face with some powder, and it's this Prim and Proper powder foundation. I'm going to be taking some of that bright yellow and just putting that over the orange a little bit. For my bottom lash line, I'm going to be using the same color that I used as a transition color. I'm going to be smoking that out. Next, I'm going to be taking this yellow right here and just smoking that out too. Next, I'm going to be taking this color right here. And I'm just going to press that onto the last line very, very closely. For this look, I want to be really bronzed up, so I'm going to be using this bronzer right here. For blush, I'm going to be going in with this orange and this corally color. Now I finally found this little highlight palette. It's Dawn Pro Glow Kit, and I bought this in Ross. I guess the gold one that I always use. I'm gonna go in with the yellow in my waterline. Lips, I'm going to be lining them with this orangey coppery shade. Next, I'm going to be taking this CoverGirl Nature Looks in the color 260, and it's a gloss bomb. And lastly, I'm going to go with this gloss. It's from Victoria's Secret, actually. This is the finished look, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys think about this look. Subscribe down below also, and hit that notifications bell so you don't miss my other upcoming videos. Follow me on my social media. The links are going to be down below in the description box. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.